Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. I don't know if you noticed, but my eyeballs are a different color today. I'm actually trying out some colored contacts from this company. They sent me a bunch of pairs, and you know, I mean, I don't know. I feel like hair color has a big play on like eye color. I don't know. This is just one of the pairs. I'm just trying it out. I'm very nervous to try new contact lens companies because I had a bad experience years ago using this company. I actually think I still have a video up talking about it, but they were circle lenses. These aren't circle lenses. Circle lenses are like the bigger, like thicker ones. These are like regular contacts, and they're a prescription too. I've just been nervous about trying new contacts, and my eyes are already like, I don't know if you can tell, but they're like watering. Fun fact, I used to wear colored contacts in high school. I actually had purple contact, or like a light purple, and it was from a reputable brand too. It was from Fresh Looks. It's a popular brand. I forgot the name of it. If I remember, I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, now I want my purple eyes back. My driver's license picture, I had purple eyes, and I remember telling them like, oh, I have purple eyes, and she's like, ma'am, it's your natural eye color. It's not your colored contacts. I'm like, ah, shit. So yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna make a review video talking all about these contacts and whether or not I recommend them. I think my eyes just need to get used to them, but I don't know. Maybe if I was tanner, I don't know. I don't know how I'm feeling this color. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Let's get into the questions. Okay, first question. Hey Vanessa, love your videos. Have you ever had a buyer cancel an order before the 3-hour mark? This happened to me yesterday, but I had already mailed out the item. What do I do? I contacted Guys, sorry, it's been a crazy day. The kids don't have school today. Still had to wake up early and bring my oldest to basketball tryouts, which I'm so proud of him. He made the varsity basketball team. I'm so proud of him. So yeah, so I'm just like all today. The Poshmark, but I'm waiting to hear back. But I was wondering if this ever happened to you. Yes, this has happened to me a couple of times. And I have since learned to wait those 3 hours. Like if somebody buys something outright, that's what they're talking about, backing up. When somebody buys something outright from your closet, the buyer has up to 3 hours to cancel the order. If they like accept an offer from you, that's like binding. They can't cancel it, only you can cancel it. So yeah, so I have since learned to wait those 3 hours. Sometimes it messes things up. Like I like to ship same day or next day. With those sales, I usually ship next day just so I can wait out those 3 hours. But yeah, wait to hear back from Poshmark, see what they say. I'm thinking they might release the earnings to you, and then the buyer will probably just get a free shirt. Or you could contact the buyer and be like, hey, you know, this was already sent out. Tell them to write like return to sender on it and not like accept the package. You could do that. And if they're a nice person, they'll do that. I guess wait to see what Poshmark says and just kind of go from there. But in the future, I do suggest waiting those 3 hours so you don't have like issues like this. Okay, next question. Have you ever found money in something that you thrifted? I got home and found $200 in a pair of jeans at Goodwill. I feel bad keeping the money. So actually over the weekend I found $8. I don't know what it was in, but when I washed everything, there was $8 in the dryer. I didn't feel bad about keeping those $8. I don't think I would feel bad about keeping $200 either. I feel like it's up to Goodwill or whatever thrift store, you know, you got them at, to like go through the pockets and shit, even though they totally don't do that. But I feel like maybe they should. Like, what are you thinking? Would you bring it back to Goodwill and be like, hey, this is in the pocket? Because I don't know what they would do with it. I don't know. You might get like a cashier that'll be like, oh, sweet. And they just pocket the $200, you know, or they might, I don't know. I don't know what they would do. Yeah, again, I wouldn't feel guilty because there's no way for them to track down the person that donated the particular item. What was it? Jeans, you said? Yeah, there's no way for them to track down that person unless it's like a super small thrift store that keeps track of shit that people donated. I don't even know if there's a thrift store that does that. Yeah, I don't think there's a way for them to track down the original owners. So I don't know, you bought it. I wouldn't feel bad. Just keep the $200. Just keep it. Okay, last question. I'm fairly new to your channel and I must say that I love your videos. Oh, thank you. They're super helpful and I love the fact that you're just so down to earth. Thank you. My question is, do you also buy things on Poshmark or are you just a seller? So yes, I also buy things on Poshmark. Poshmark is actually one of my favorite places to source because there are a lot of people, actually the majority of people on Poshmark aren't resellers. They aren't looking to make a profit. They are just cleaning out their closet, selling things for pretty damn cheap. You know, they're not really looking to make a profit. They just want to get rid of things. Highly suggest sourcing on Poshmark because you can find like amazing things. You really can. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KEEPINITRAD. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.